These Careers Wales videos highlight some of the key industries in Wales and jobs that will be in demand in the future. They show the skills people will need to get jobs and how technology and the green agenda will affect future jobs. Wales, the current and future world of work. Megatrends are affecting businesses and workers across the world and Wales. People will need to adapt quickly to keep up with changes in technology, the environment, and working patterns so they can stay competitive in the workplace. Employers are looking for people with transferable skills in all jobs such as problem solving, communication, collaboration, and creativity. 3.1 million people live in Wales and around 1.4 million are in work. Working in Wales offers the opportunity to work in a variety of jobs in different industries like health, retail, customer service, manufacturing, hospitality, education, construction, and public service. So what jobs will be in demand in Wales in the future? There are shortages in key industries which are likely to always be in demand, like health, care, nursing, education, and IT and digital. Over the coming years, Wales will need IT job roles like project managers, programmers and software developers, especially in artificial intelligence or AI, data scientists, web development designers, and software engineers. Demand is growing for specialists in green jobs to achieve net zero emissions by 2050 in Wales. Jobs in industries like renewable energy, manufacturing, and construction. The green agenda, that's green issues related to protecting the environment, will create new jobs in industries in Wales you may not expect, like health. Some of the jobs in health related to the green agenda could be consultants in sustainable medicine, sustainable care matrons, chief sustainability officers, and green hospital project managers. What about salaries in Wales? The average salary in Wales is approximately £31,000, with the average salary in the UK being approximately £33,000. It's not all about pay. More and more people are looking for incentives, rewards, and benefits in a job, like flexible working hours, hybrid working, paid holidays, and pensions. So have a think. Which industries and jobs interest you? Technology, its impact on your world of work. The world of work is constantly changing and technology is changing quickly. It affects most things you do in life and will impact how you work in the future. By 2030, almost every job will need to change to some extent, and as a result, 90% of workers will need reskilling. Technology creates life-changing and life-saving applications and products. Think of the wearable technologies and artificial intelligence, AI, we have, like smartwatches that can call 999 if it detects you've been in an accident. New developments in technology mean new roles are emerging all the time, especially important for a greener way of living and working. In 10 years or less, new jobs could be organ creator, digital currency advisor, autonomous vehicle designer, and cultured meat farmers. AI and robots already play a role in our lives today. You use AI when you use Google Maps or ask Alexa to play you a song. Whilst AI and robots are predicted to take some human jobs, they will still need humans to program and control them. AI is here to increase productivity, support, and make some tasks easier and safer for humans. Think about how humans and robots work together now. In the military and health. Some of the technologies that are driving the Welsh digital economy include cloud computing, Internet of Things, and big data analytics. Automation, AI, and data science will bring millions of new jobs to the UK. There will be a big rise in demand for skills such as digital, science, technology, engineering, and maths. Over 80% of all jobs advertised in the UK list digital skills as a requirement. Some of the specific IT skills noted in job adverts are agile methodology, programming language like SQL and JavaScript, software development and engineering. There is also high demand for digital skills in non-digital industries like agriculture, finance, food and beverage and construction. Digital technology is transforming industries across Wales. Let's look at some real-life examples. Building Information Modelling, or BIM technology used in the Grange University Hospital project saved 42 weeks and 237,099 hours of on-site labour. Coleg Glynllifon near Caernarfon is pioneering new countryside management techniques using low-cost digital sensor technology. And M7 Virtual in Flintshire used customised camera rigs that are synchronised together, producing full 360-degree panoramas. But remember, human emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills are here to stay. Employers will still need people with common transferable skills like emotional intelligence, creativity and empathy that are required in most jobs and that AI and technology cannot easily do. Did you know that jobs requiring digital skills pay 29% more on average, with the average UK salary for jobs in the information technology industry being approximately £42,000? Wales needs IT jobs in program and software developers, data scientists and AI engineers, IT business analysts and system designers, and IT user support technicians. Opportunities to work in IT digital jobs in Wales are expanding, so have a think. Is your career in the digital world? What employers want? In Wales, there were over 350,000 online job vacancies in the last 12 months. Employers are looking for people with transferable skills like decision-making, adaptability, resilience, and digital skills. Transferable skills and qualities in demand by industries in Wales are in health, communication, compassion and enthusiasm. In energy, communication, management and customer service. In public services, communication, training and development and management. What about language skills? The Welsh Government is aiming to get 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. Welsh language is an important skill for employers in different industries like local government, education and health and social care. Employers in the UK also need people who can speak languages like German, French and Spanish. Did you know 17.5% of UK adults can fluently speak 2 languages, with 6.5% being multilingual? The most common jobs needing a second language are in customer service and call centres, sales, account management and business development, education and reception and admin support. As technology changes, so does the job market. Over 80% of all jobs advertised now in the UK list digital skills as a requirement. Employers are also using technology differently now and may offer interviews over video or phone, so you'll need to practice interviews in a different way. Before 2020 and the pandemic, the average job interview was conducted face-to-face. There's been a 57% increase since 2019, with more than half employers saying they will continue to use video interviews. The most common reason why a candidate fails a job interview is a lack of understanding of the role, so do your research and be enthusiastic. 4 in 10 employers would reject a candidate if they showed no enthusiasm. Another change since the pandemic is the increase in people working from home, and this pattern continues today. From 2019 to 2022, home working in the UK increased from 4.7 million to 9.9 million people. The Welsh Government want to see 30% of the workforce working remotely on a regular basis, so be prepared to be flexible about your work location. You are the future workforce. Get ready for your future now. Visit job information and future jobs Wales on careerswales.gov.wales. All information was correct at the time of creation, March 2023.